How do I check if I'm running on Windows in Python? I found the platform module, but it says it returns Windows and it's returning Microsoft on my machine. I notice in another thread here on Stack Overflow it returns Vista sometimes. So, the question is, how to implement in a forward compatible way? If I have to check for things like Vista, then it will break when the next version of Windows comes out. Note, the answers claiming this is a duplicate question do not actually answer the question is _Windows. They answer the question what platform. Since many flavors of Windows exist, none of them comprehensively describe how to get an answer of is Windows.
Python OS module. Specifically for Python 3. 6/3.7. os.name, the name of the operating system dependent module imported. The following names have currently been registered: POSIX, NT, Java. In your case, you want to check for NT as os.name output. There is also a note on os.name. See also sys.platform has a finer granularity. os.uname gives system-dependent version information. The platform module provides detailed checks for the system's identity.
Are you using platform.system? If that isn't working, maybe try platform.win32_var, and if it doesn't raise an exception, you're on Windows, but I don't know if that's forward compatible to 64-bit, since it has 32 in the name. But os.name is probably the way to go, as others have mentioned. You should be able to rely on os.name. Edit. Now I'd say the clearest way to do this is via the platform module, as per the other answer. In sys2.
Or